to Puerto Viejo. We are all settled in our casita. And y'all, it has been a journey getting here. First of all, we started this journey at 4 a.m. in Quepos, Manuel Antonio. Y'all, we are up and outside at 3 a.m. before the sun is even up. I still see the moon and the stars because we're going to San Jose today. And somebody who was supposed to give us a ride flaked on us. So here we are, headed to the bus station in Quepos. We're out here with the roosters, y'all.
We just walked down the mountain. Y'all know we live on top of a mountain. We just walked down the mountain because our friend flaked on us. It is currently, what time is it?
4:50, I mean 3:50.
3:50
a.m.
Ain't nobody out here.
It's a couple people.
It's a few people. Not a lot of people at all. We out here. We waiting on the bus. We had everything planned a few days ago. And we relied on our friend. So we changed our plans. So now we back to the original plan. You know what? But this is the moment I just have to remember to have patience. I just can't believe it.
We got on a bus and drove 3 hours and got on another bus to Puerto Viejo. Now this ride was, what you say, like 4 hours? We got introduced to the housekeepers and we went to the store and now we're chilling for the rest of the day, y'all. And that's my life in Costa Rica. We eating empanadas. We should have. We in the jungle.
We're in this jungle.
Blaze, you ready. You ready, Blaze. You ready. Blaze, you can't come in. Blaze, you can't come in, Blaze. Oh, Blaze trying to bust up in here.
I ain't trying to bust up in here.
I ain't locked the door. He said, let me in, girl. Can I break my leaves? I'm trying to break the leaves.
I'm trying to break the leaves. No, I'm trying to break the leaves.
We got 2 more months in Quepos. 2 more months. But honestly, Erin, let's take our time and enjoy it. I thought about that the other day. I said, let's really soak in Manuel Antonio and let this be a different adventure.
Absolutely.
And I feel like when that 6 months is over, Costa Rica, we're going to be a family. We're going to see
Oh my gosh. I wonder what camera is like.
all we got to do is make sure we get that PD. You know what? I don't mind doing that.
Ari is determined to find a coconut, so you hear it sloshing. That's heavy. You hear water?
I don't know. I don't think so. try the other one. I don't know. Yeah. I feel like that one probably pretty old. I'm just gonna get this coconut. Let me try. Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Ants on it.
Yeah, a lot of ants.
Yeah, this is a little bit.
Right, directional.
Yo, we out here, Aries driving the scooter, y'all. We got our helmets on. Wish us luck, okay?
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck. Vino. It's good. He said, pose for me.
It doesn't feel like sturdy. Like, it doesn't feel safe. I don't know.
For me or for you?
For both of us.
Passing the Super Negro.
Green market.
We got Punta Uva. Where are we going? Walking through a lot of mud right now. We're trying to find out if this is the same restaurant.
Yeah, I don't think it is though. I mean, they had a board just like that. I can't remember what it said.
Ooh. It's a cute little table over here. We might have to get this. Yeah, we definitely coming back to sit there. Oh, it's so muddy over here. Okay, y'all, we got some shots. This is honestly going in there. Who am I kidding?
Right. Thank you.
And right now, we at this little, it's called a bungalow. Yeah, a little bungalow kind of structure. About to drink our drinks. We are seeking refuge from the rain. It's raining right now. But that was a fun little joyride we had. When it stops raining, maybe we'll go to the beach. We're at Uvia Beach.
Punta Uvia.
Punta Uvia Beach.
Punta Uva.
Punta Uva. We're at Punta Uva Beach. We passed Cocles by accident because we didn't know.
There were little like side streets, like little like how we got here.
Yeah.
But I didn't know, and I didn't want to look look away from the road.
Some of them were saying like no beach access, though. I noticed. Such a pretty sunny day. I'm glad we came outside today. Yeah, we just made it back home. We got some new appliances. Ooh. The flippy working against me.
They trying to get us to move here or whatever. I'm already sold.
Ari said, "This is my house."
It is my house.
We got a little coffee, little toaster oven. Definitely needed it.
That's all I needed. I don't even need no oven for real. I just need a toaster oven.